parliamentary group. We, the leaders from this is a statement by the press statement by Asanteni sana. Decisive remarks made by Governor George Natembeya of Trans Nzoia and Mr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka concerning President William Ruto's crucial proclamation on 5th February 2025, which rightfully rescinded and scrapped off the long-standing, unjust and discriminatory vetting process long imposed on Kenyans from northern Kenya. The decision to abolish this discriminatory and unconstitutional vetting practice was undeniably overdue and yet profoundly necessary as a corrective measure that reaffirms and protects the constitutional rights of all Kenyans, most notably those from northern Kenya region and other border communities.
These border regions, this unfair vetting discrimination in which intelligence will take 6 months or even a year or 10 years to vet people should stop, so that we all Kenyans have a right. And this does not only apply to us, by the way, it's going to apply to all the border regions, because all the border regions are affected.